Today's topic is the minimum number of the characters to be replaced to make a given string into a palindrome string. So first we are going to create a function named replace over here on which we are going to pass our string. After that we are initializing and that is it's going to be the length of our string and a count. That is we are going to count that how many elements we have replaced in our string to make it into a palindrome. After that we are taking a for loop over here. So this for loop is going to go through each and every element in our range. So the and slash slash 2, right, and divided by 2. So you might be wondering what it is all about, right? So this is basically means that after dividing the length of our string, it's going to be a float or an integer. It can be any both of them, right? Since we are not supposed to be looking for like we need a string of the even length of our strings or the odd of our strings, so that's why we have taken as the 2 times division sign over here. So what it's going to do is it's going to give us an output into an integer form even though the length of our string is an odd. And after that we are taking a if condition over here, that is if our string of an I, that is if the first element and the last element of our string they are same, then we are just continuing forward. We are not going to change nor we are going to increase the count nor anything like that. And after that we are increasing the count by 1 and we are comparing it if the string of our length of a I is less than the string that is n minus 1 of an I. So what does this is, we are replacing over here, sorry, yeah, we are replacing the characters over here which are having an high ASCII value to the low ASCII value over here. And if this turns to be false, then we have an else over here, which is that is string of an I should be equal to the string of the last element. And after that we are joining that string into the string number 2 over here. And after that we are returning the print statement over here, which is going to show that how many replacement we have done and our string will be a palindrome or not after that. So as you can see it over here, I have passed a string 1, that is triple A B C E D A over here, and after that I get an output of triple A B triple A over here. So how many elements it has replaced? The 3 over here, so which is C E D. It has converted and C into the B and E D into the A over here. So now a lot of guys makes a mistake on this if condition, that is they don't go through this condition, they just directly write up to the count and an else statement over here. So if you don't write it, then it's not going to be the minimum number of the characters. So what it's going to be is it's going to just go through the last characters over here and it's going to replace them even though the characters are similar. So you might not get the minimum number of the characters you need to be replaced the string. And after that, if you need to print like each and every characters it has replaced, then you can write it into the for loop, that is print star string over here, and we are going to just separate it by using a semicolon. So as you can see it over here, our first string it is like this, which is C D E A, and the D got converted to the A, and after that E got converted to the A, and then the C it get converted to the B. So that's how we get this replacement.